Can't turn on Smart App Control on Windows 11 without reinstalling your system? Stuck with it disabled and no option to enable it? In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to enable Smart App Control without reinstalling Windows. If Smart App Control is grayed out, follow this solution. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now expand HK_local_machine. Then expand System. Next, expand Current Control Set. Next, expand Control. Expand CI. Then expand Policies. Now double-click on Verified and Reputable Policy State. Change the value data from 0 to 1. Click on OK. You can also find the full path in the video description. Now go back to Smart App Control settings, and you will see the Turn On option is available. That's it. Now you can enable Smart App Control without reinstalling Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tips.